Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video. And guess what we're doing? You probably already know because you saw the thumbnail. Anyways, we are doing a Walmart beauty box. This is the one that I got. I thought this was a great deal because you can see what's in it. It has an EcoTool sponge. Whoops, over here. I don't know how much those are. Like at least $6, I think. And then it has a Essie. I think it's a Essie. No. It's a P2 Volume Gloss Gel Look Polish. Right there. Not really my favorite because it's a really pale one and I use gel polishes. So I won't be, I might use this on my toes, but it's kind of light. I like dark colors on my toes. Anyways, and then it has a brush down here, and it is an e.l.f. brush, I think. It's got a crown. Oh, it's a Moda brush. Ooh, I like Moda. Oops, sorry about that. I guess I could just take this out, huh? Because we're going to have to look at this stuff. Okay, get rid of the box, but it was a great deal. It was $9.88. So, and it has the EcoTool sponge, which I really like these sponges. I already have one, so I may save this and give it to a daughter. And then it has this pinky peach. It's kind of a pinky peach. I don't know what color it says it is because I can't see. Bride. It's called Bride. So it's a pinky peach. But it's a gel-like polish. It's not actual gel polish. And then it's got this Moda brush. I like Moda brushes. This is a Moda brush. And I got it. It's actually a Royal and Langnickel powder, but it's made by Moda, so it's the same thing. And this is like a foundation brush, it looks like. Buffer. It's a buffer brush. Don't see where it opens. It's got to open right here. Get it out of this plastic so you can see it. I should have looked all this up. I will look it all up because I'm going to use some of this stuff after I show you guys it. I'm going to go use some of it and show you. But it's a nice little brush. And I would say $5 minimum for one of these brushes. So there's $11 right there, and I don't know how much this fingernail polish is, but let's go on the cheap side and say $3. So there's 14. Oops, something fell. Oh, it's got a nail file. It's an Equate one. We'll say $1. $15 so far. It's got some Kiss lashes. I don't know how much Kiss lashes are, because I don't usually use Kiss lashes, because I don't know why. I've tried them and I didn't like them. And so I haven't tried them again, but it looks like I'm gonna, huh? I can't get them out though. They're stuck. But I would say one pair of lashes, $5 maybe, minimum. So there's $20. And then I've got these Empress Nails, press-on nails. I'm gonna go soak these off and put these on. They're short, but they don't come in other sizes because I've looked. But we're gonna give them a shot. We can go short nails for a couple of weeks or till they fall off. I would say that these are like $6, and we were at 20, right? So $6, 26, and $5. I don't know where we were, but we were well above $9.88, which is how much that was. This is. And then it's got some glue here, duo glue. I guess you don't get glue with your lashes. Let's see. It says what it includes. It's a little tiny glue that I can't get out, of course. And it is, I wonder if it's clear or black. It's clear. Clear white glue for your lashes. And then this is coconut nail art. I've never used any of these. They look like they're those, I've seen stuff like this a long time ago where you just stick it on and you file off the edges. Anyways, that's what they look like. They're kind of a unicorny look. But they're pretty. Well, give them a try. Probably not this week because I'm going to do these. And then maybe we'll do these later on and I'll put them on some of these guys. And there's one more thing in here. These little packets. And I believe they're translucent powder. That sticky stuff up. Ugh. Off of it. Yes, it's Sets. Blot and translucent powder. Single dose cosmetic compact. This goes in a compact, I guess. But they didn't give you a compact. I don't know what. Maybe it's inside here. Because it says single dose compact. These are stuck together. I can't get them apart. Anyways, we'll definitely try this out. It's just translucent powder, right? How can you get it wrong? Unless it's just like really coarse. And I have no idea. I've never even heard of this brand. So I don't know how much they cost. But like I said, this seemed like a great deal. You get eyelashes and nails and a sponge and a brush and a file and these little thingies, whatever they are, nail art. I wonder if there's anything else in there besides just the, oh, directions. So yeah, it looks like they have a tab on them and you peel it off like a sticker. It's like a sticker. It's got a peel off thing and then you stick it on to your nail and then you just file off the edges. That's what I thought it was. And you remove them with polish remover. Let's see if there's any other colors besides just the one that we can see. Probably not. I mean, it's a great deal. This is a great deal, so. I mean, just with the brush and the sponge, you've got your 10 bucks. No, it's just the one set. Look at that itty bitty fingernail file they give you to file off those. Yep, just 10 of them. Actually, it looks like, I mean, it's 10 of them for sure. But it looks like you could go either way with them. Like maybe they're 2 different sizes on each end. See, one end is fatter than the other end, so you can, it's got like 20 different sizes to pick from to match your nail. It's kind of cool. I've never actually seen them before. Where I've heard of them and probably seen them in videos or something because, like I said, I knew what you were supposed to do with them, but I don't know why because I've definitely never used them. Now there's orange wood stick in there too. And more directions. We're going to put it all back in here because we're not going to do this one. I'm going to go soak these nails off because they're ready to come off. And I'm going to put these guys on. Oops, my face is over here. And we'll wear these for a couple weeks. But yeah, what a deal. Look at all this stuff you get. Maybe I can hold it all. I doubt it, but maybe. There, that's all you get. That's a lot. Actually, there's 2 more things. That little compact with the translucent powder and the fingernail file. Emery board. So, what a good deal. Anyways, I'll be back after I soak these nails off and put the new ones on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I did them. They're okay. I don't like them because they're short. But these only stay on for about a week. So if you like the shorter nails, these are, I think, pretty good. Because they cost, I think they cost about $6 at Walmart. They cost, I think, $7.99 if you buy them on the Empress site, on the Kiss Nail site. But, Sorry. I think they're cool. And they come in a gazillion different styles. I didn't put glue on at all. I just want to see how they work with, you know, the little sticky stuff on the back of them. I thought these were glue-on ones. But then I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube, of course. And realized that they got sticky stuff on the back. And some people use glue with them, but I thought, what is the point in that? So I didn't. Because I watched a few people that just did what they said, and they love them, but they do say they only last about a week. So I figure I can have short nails for a week, and then I'll go back to my other stuff. But they were really, really, really easy to put on. I think I put 2 smaller ones on, these 2, but it comes with 6, so it's like if these come off too soon, I can put the other ones on. You can't reuse these at all, though. But I never reuse my other ones either. I do re-glue them, though. And I don't think you can do that with these. These glittery ones have, like, rough spots, glitter spots. They need to be, like, put clear over. But I probably won't. Anyway, I still think that this Walmart Beauty Box is well worth the money. Because this... I know this is at least $5 or $6, and these were $6 at Walmart, $5.99. I don't know how much the polish is, but I'm sure it's at least a couple of bucks. Oh, I told you this was called Bride. It's called Happy Bride. And then you get this, and then you get lashes. I was going to put these on too before I came back. Oh well, it's too late now. I don't want to put glue on and then have to take it right back off. These are called Blowout. Next Generation Wispy. What's going on there? Oh, it says Page Boy right there. But it says Next Generation Wispy right there. Anyways, we'll try these out like next week or something. And then these, we'll try these. Maybe I'll put these on when I put the other nails back on. Because they're kind of cool too. And then these. I'm so tired. I still don't know what these are. It says Blot Translucent Powder Single Dose Cosmetic Compact. But I can feel in there. See, there's like, you can see through it. You can't see through it, but I can see through it. And there's like a little spongy pad in there. It must be full of powder. Kind of cool. Anyways, that's it. I think that was in there. The lashes, the glue, which I probably won't use this glue because I used Duo glue forever, but I never used the kind that was in a tube. I always used the kind that was in with the brush because it was more sensitive. This one always made my eyes burn, which is never good. So, anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess I could take these out, huh? I was listening to a book. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!